Nung sinabi mo nagbibihis ka na, maliligo pa lang ako noon. Traitor!
Na-fanboy talaga siya ni Janina. So Janina, if you're watching this, please acknowledge my friend.
I'm wearing these pants. This is from Kuding.
Dito nakita natin dito yung tag. The song here in my heart. So pag-order kayo, gusto nyo hindi kayo makakatulog, barista drink. This is white mocha, brevet, no water, Americano. It's pa long shot nyo. Kasi yung maximum ng white mocha na syrup, pag grande, meron siyang 4 cups. Pwede nyo ipa 7 cups.
Wow!
Pwede nyo padagdag, basta hindi siya dodoble. Kasi pag lumabas, may additional.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi, and that's because I wanted to upload my new video right here.
I went like that.
Okay guys, it's my art room makeup tutorial.
Okay, so pala. Isod natin para umabot. Isod tayo dito.
That's okay. See you later. We're just gonna upload my video and enjoy our drinks. Yeah.
On the other side, parang taong grasa. How about the nose? I told you you're supposed to make it beautiful. Later guys, we're gonna film another video. I told you guys that already, and I feel bad for myself because I had to look like this throughout the whole video.
You think I use orange on my nose?
Bahala. Oh my God.
So, you have to explain what type of makeup look you're gonna go for today.
I'm going to just make up.
Every day.
No, you like, oh my God, so halata. Let's blend it out.
Okay guys, so the less visible or obvious it is, the better. The better.
I think it's good.
You're not.
The bronzer. Parang di pa siya nag-brown eh. I'm always
Bronzer? Are you sure?
No, of course not. Ay, alam mo na. It's your eyelids. Going to conceal your eyelids.
Why?
To... Don't ask me. Just like...
So, like how many years? 4 years? 3 years? 5 years? Yeah. We've been friends for 5 years and we don't always see each other, but I'm like that with my friends. I don't always get to see them, but once I do, it's like nothing changed. So yeah. And guys, I'm not sure if you guys have watched my first vlog ever. Actually, I'm with Jubs, and yeah.
That was last year.
Yeah, that was last year.
We planned that for 2 years.
Yeah.
And we did that. You do your... What do you call that? The black thing here.
Eyeliner.
Yeah.
First, okay.
Bakit told me that it's for eyeliner?
Oh, so nakalimutan niya na.
This one, no.
I can't see myself. How will I look?
Ano to?
Eyeliner. Pero, wag yan. Pang pro yan.
Oh, you dip it in like that.
Ooh.
Joke, I'm just kidding. I have to concentrate. Okay.
Okay guys, so I have your calligrapher.
I'm nervous. Don't make me laugh.
The drummer? Drummer. You can do it, friend. So, alam ko na sa dulo muna tayo. Wow! I'm going to put some wings because you like it. Yeah, I love it. You're a calligrapher, so I expect. Don't expect too much. Yeah.
Ano ba yung sinasabi ko?
Eyeshadow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eyeshadow ba? Oo, huli-huli pa yung panggupit ng Philip Nata.
Show them what are you gonna use.
Okay.
So, I'm going to use Sweet Care Your Fevers. Ay, Pukayer. Ha? Pukayer pangalan yun. Pukayer.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm going to use the shade Smoky Topaz and yun muna. So you like that, dip it in, then you shake it, turn the excess powder. Because I realized earlier na contour too much powder. So
You sound so professional.
oh my god, am I?
Yeah.
So the depths of the despair. So we're going to like that.
So I'm guessing you're doing like a Western type of makeup.
Saddens me. This is what we want, right? For our weird photography. Sinapak ka ba? Wait, closer.
Like any sort of colors in a thin brush to blend it. No, not that one. Okay guys, so it's just a bonus because I feel like it's having a really hard time. Okay, just use this. So you can blend everything.
Ayan, super weird. It is so good for photography.
Really? So weird, no ba?
Yeah, I love it.
Do I look that weird?
May nagising akong concert. Mamaya, I'm going to picture you. Here, at this wall. Okay. Next, we're going to... Can I see? Oh my god, you're so pretty. Next, we're going to cut her lashes.
It's curl.
It's curler. It's not curler.
Oh, are you sure?
Don't trust me.
Pero papakita ko sa'yo kung paano. I know how to do that. Kunin mo lang yun. Ayan. I know how to do that. Oh, I don't even have a mirror. I'm a dreamer.
Don't close your eyes. Okay, so... Just screaming. Sigaw ka lang kapag masakit.
It's my favorite mascara ever. This is from
Twist. Cut rice? Cut rice. Cut in a rice. Sobrang favorite niya to.
Ito, yung nag-adjust yun. Okay. You see, it really lengthens and gives volume
Yeah.
to your lashes. That's why it's my favorite mascara.
How about next? Oh my god.
Bronzer and contour is basically the same thing. So I'm going to find here in her brushes this color. So we're gonna... Actually, I don't use this. Oh, this one. No, this one. I don't use this. This one? A lot, yeah. This one. I use this sometimes. This is sabihin si Paolo Balesteros. Ang galing pala talaga, no? Oo. Hirap, no? Ako nga nahirapan. Okay, so let's just hope for the better. Look.
What? I thought we were gonna put glitters.
Yeah, but I decided not to. Because I don't want to blind you.
Wow. Caring. Are you sure?
Oh my god, your nose
Are you
is so
sure?
pretty.
Are you sure that's it?
Lipstick.
Yeah. Okay, so these are all the products right here. I didn't put my lip tints because it's right over there.
I'm proud to say kung saan ako nagagandahan, the nose line and this kilay.
This kilay only, this one.
I don't know what happened to that kilay eh. This one. No, it doesn't match your eyeshadow.
Oh, it should match my eyeshadow.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, I'm going to slightly make it a little bit thicker. Oh my god, it's so red. This one. Because I'm toying your face.
No!
Just like it's culture captivating.
Oh!
You know, in my 4 years studying foreign service, I studied the diversity. Oh my god!
What? I feel like I look so ugly right now.
Oh my god. I'm going to fix that. Don't worry. And then I'm going. Whatever your makeup looks like,
Okay,
you're still
peaches,
beautiful.
it's still me, okay? It's still me.
Right.
Yeah, it's brighter than your future.
You look like that, yeah.
To Winnie. Hello. Do you remember Winnie? Yeah, Winnie. Yeah. Hi, Winnie. Hi. And to... What's her name again? Wait. Jessica? No. Janina? No. Wait. This one. Yeah, it's Jessica. Ah, Jessica. Jessica. Si Jessica. Hi. Thanks for following me.
The final look. Wait. Last one. Contour.
I feel so beautiful. I feel...
Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm so proud about the nose line. Look.
Guys, I look like a drag queen.
No. Do you know do you watch Alice in Wonder?
Okay guys, so I think we'll call this look the Hatter. Hi guys, so this is the final look. It's so... I got out straight from the Alice in the Wonderland movie. But, okay, so I'm gonna tell what like the makeup that looks good, that I think you did better. Okay guys, so let's see. I think this, like this eyebrows.
Oh, let's see. So yeah, it looks so good.
I think you did a great job with the eyebrows. And what else?
The nose line.
The nose line. As I told you guys earlier, like the less obvious it is, the better. Well, this is okay. I feel like a drag queen.
What's a drag queen?
Like, okay, so this is the final look. What do you guys like it? Do you want me to like?
Of course not.
Okay guys, so let me know in the description, not the description box below, on the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this makeup look, and if you like it too. And guys, before we finish this, we're gonna film a makeup transformation video on his channel. What's your channel?
Wala pa.
So I'm just gonna put like something like a letter, like so his channel.
Description box na lang.
Link on his channel will be on the description box below. And also guys, we're gonna be filming a makeup transformation. I'm gonna transform him into a like K-pop idol.
May K-pop lagi nakaganyan.
Yeah.